Hello, today's story is Night Noises. This is written by Mem Fox and illustrated by Terry Denton. Night Noises, written by Mem Fox, illustrated by Terry Denton. Lily Laceby lived in an old cottage in the hills. Her hair was as wispy as cobwebs in ceilings. Her bones were as creaky as floorboards at midnight. Her only companion was a fat old dog called Butch Aggie. People who lived nearby said that Lily was nearly 90, but they were only guessing. One wild winter's evening, as Lily Laceby sat by her fire, snug and warm, she drifted off to sleep and began to dream. Butch Aggie dozed at her feet. Outside, clouds raced along the sky, playing hide and seek with the moon. Wind and rain rattled at the windows, and trees banged against the roof. Somewhere in the distance, car doors opened and closed softly. Click, clack. Butch Aggie listened. But Lily Laceby kept on dreaming. Feet tiptoed up the garden path. Crunch, crunch. Butch Aggie cocked her head. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Voices whispered in bushes. Murmur, mutter, shh. Butch Aggie bristled. But Lily Laceby, she went on dreaming. Eyes peeped through keyholes. Squint, peek, peer. Butch Aggie's throat rumbled. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Hands tried to turn doorknobs. Twist, test, rattle. Butch Aggie barred her teeth, but Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Knuckles drummed on door frames. Knock, knick, knack, knock. Butch Aggie leaped up, growling. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Fists beat upon doors, and voices shouted at windows. Yell, clatter, bang, bang, bang. Butch Aggie barked and barked. Lily Laceby woke up with a start. Who is it? She called. Who is it on a night like this? It's only us. Let us in. Let us in. It was us. Creak, crack, went Lily Laceby's knees as she got to her feet. Snick, snack, went the bolts on the door. And in came her 2 sons, her 3 daughters, her 14 grandchildren, her 35 great-grandchildren. It says, surprise, happy birthday, put the kettle on, ha ha ha, happy 90th birthday. What a surprise. Her great great-grandchild, Emily, age 4.5, and her 47 friends. All who was there. Are you really 90? Whispered Emily, aged 4.5. Lily Laceby held her hand and smiled. Inside, I'm only 4.5 like you, she whispered back, but don't tell anyone. The end. She had a lot of family. You're all there to surprise her for her birthday. How sweet is that? I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.